Hello everyone, this is Venkat. Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm gonna say something about business finance and source of business finance. Business finance. First of all, let's talk about business. Business is a major economic activity in society. Uh, let me say about business finance. Business finance is lifeblood of an organization. Without business finance, a business organization cannot exist. Business finance is used for day-to-day activities of a business or for capital requirements of business. Source of business finance. Source of business finance is of two types: institutional source of business finance and non-institutional source of business finance. Let me simplify or specify institutional source of business finance. Institutional source of business finance. Government forms some institutions to provide finance for business organizations. For example, IFCA, IDBA, etc. So, getting finance from those organizations or institutions is called institutional source of business finance. Next, non-institutional source of business finance. Non-institutional source of business finance is of three types: long-term source of business finance, medium-term source of business finance, and short-term source of business finance. Let me specify these three terms. First of all, long-term source of business finance. Long-term source of business finance is getting finance for a business organization for a period more than 5 years. Medium-term source of business finance. Medium-term source of business finance is getting finance for a business organization for a period more than 1 year and less than 5 years. Short-term source of business finance. Short-term source of business finance is getting finance for a business organization for a period less than 1 year. Long-term source of business finance. Long-term source of business finance includes share capital. Long-term source of business finance is of four types: getting finance from equity shares, preference shares, and from retained earnings, and debentures. First, let me say about equity shares. Equity shares. The persons who are holding equity shares are called as residual owners of company or organization. The funds collected by or the finance collected by issuing equity shares is called owners funds or ownership capital, and they will get some special powers like voting rights, etc. And they have ownership rights. Next, preference share. From the name itself, we can understand that they are given more preference than equity shares. They get their part of profit or dividend before equity shareholders, and at the time of winding up of company, they get their part of capital before equity shareholders. Next, retained earnings. Retained earnings. A business organization gets some profits. Investing some part of the profits into the organization as finance is called retained earnings. It is also called as pluffing back of profits. Next thing, debentures. Debenture holders are creditors of a business organization. They get interest on the debentures. The rate of issuing of debentures is said or rated by a credit rating organization called CRISIL. At the time of winding up of company, the shareholders may or may not get their part of capital, but debenture holders must and should get their part of capital. Next, medium-term source of business finance. Medium-term source of business finance is getting finance for a business organization for a period more than 1 year and less than 5 years. Medium-term source of business finance is of three types. First one, public deposit. Public deposits, loans from banks, and lease financing. Let me say about public deposits. Public deposits is collecting funds from public as business finance for an organization. That is, by issuing public deposits, the organization gives a receipt to the public who invested in the organization, and after a certain period, mostly 3 years, by showing those receipts in organization, the public get back their part of capital or finance. Next one, loans from commercial banks. Today, nowadays, banks are playing a major role for giving finance for business organizations. Uh, uh, Loans from banks is an important thing for getting finance. It can be mentioned in long-term source of business finance, medium-term source of business finance, and short-term source of business finance. Next one, short-term source of business lease financing. Lease financing is a asset is rented for a person who wants it. That means the owner of assets gives an asset as rent for the other for a certain period of time. The owner of his asset is called lessor, and the person who takes the asset is called, or who uses the asset is called lessor. Short-term source of business finance. Short-term source of business finance is of 5 types. That is bank credit. Bank credit is getting loans from the banks for a short period, that is less than 1 year. Again, bank credit is of 3 types. Loans. We all know that banks give loans for a period less than 1 year. Next, cash credit. Cash credit is a facility in which the organization can withdraw amount which is more than in their account, in the organization's account, and there is certain limit for the extra amount which they withdraw, and the interest is charged on the extra amount which they withdraw from their account. Next, overdraft. Overdraft is withdrawing money which is more than in their account, but it has no limit, and bank charges interest on that. It is only for current account holders. Next one, trade credit. There will be certain transactions between two traders. Suppose if a trader sells certain goods to a other trader, and the other trader is not able to pay for those goods, the first trader gives trade credit. That is, the other trader can pay the amount for those goods after a certain period of time, and the trader charges the trader who sells goods charges interest on those goods. Next one, installment credit. Installment credit is, if we buy an asset, we can pay it in installments, that is paying in smaller amounts, and interest is charged. Next one, commercial paper. Commercial paper is when organizations have some expenses. For the expenses, there will be receipts. By showing those receipts in bank, the organizations get money for those receipts to pay back those expenses. So normally, the persons or the organizations who take money amount from the bank by showing commercial paper will repay them in 90 days to 364 days. So guys, this is about business finance and source of business finance. Hope you all understood it, and stay home, stay safe.